EV oil change? Huge ripoffs. Dealers are charging you for nothing. Worried about EV maintenance? You should be aware. Dealerships are charging for EV oil changes on cars that don't need oil. In the next few minutes, I'll expose this scam, show you exactly how they're doing it, and arm you with the knowledge to save hundreds. Ever heard of someone putting gasoline in their phone? Of course not. It's the same level of absurdity to give an EV an oil change. But dealerships are banking on you knowing that. They're recycling GAS car scams and sticking you with the bill for your EV. Let's break it down. Internal combustion engines, or ICE cars, need oil. Lots of it. It's the lifeblood, lubricating hundreds of moving parts, preventing friction and overheating. Without it, boom! Catastrophic engine failure. Oil changes are a regular and often expensive part of ICE car ownership. Totally different ballgame. Chapter 1. The ICE EVs. EV difference. They use electric motors. Think of it like this. ICE cars are intricate wind-up clocks with gears grinding against gears. EVs are sleek digital watches, humming along with minimal moving parts. No combustion, no oil needed. Unlike gasoline cars, EVs use electric motors that don't require oil for lubrication or cooling. Understanding this fundamental difference is the first step in avoiding the scam. Chapter 2. EV Motor Anatomy. Let's dive a little deeper into EV motors. They are marvels of engineering designed for efficiency and longevity. EV motors lack the complex internal combustion components that require oil lubrication, making oil changes completely unnecessary. There are far fewer moving parts, and the lubrication needs are drastically reduced, typically handled by sealed systems that require minimal maintenance. This provides concrete evidence and reinforces the technical reasons behind a lack of oil requirement. I recently spoke to Sarah from California. She took her new Tesla in for its first service, and the dealership tried to upsell her on a $200 EV oil change. She almost fell for it. Luckily, she remembered seeing a video just like this one and questioned the service. She saved $200 and a whole lot of frustration. Don't be a Sarah. Chapter 3. The Dealership Deception. So, why are dealerships pushing these phantom oil changes? Follow the money. They're dusting off outdated maintenance schedules designed for gasoline cars and applying them to EVs. It's a blatant cash grab disguised as essential maintenance. They see an opportunity to squeeze extra profit, and they're taking it. Some dealerships may mislead EV owners due to outdated practices or a profit motive, charging for services your EV doesn't need. This exposes the potential scam and empowers viewers to question unnecessary services. Don't believe me? Let's look at the facts. Major EV manufacturers like Tesla, Nissan, and Chevy explicitly state in their owners' manuals that their EVs do not require oil changes. Check your manual. It's right there in black and white. These are the companies that designed and built these cars. They know what they're talking about. The manufacturer's word is gospel when it comes to your car's maintenance needs. Now, some dealerships will try to muddy the waters. They'll say, but EVs still need some fluid changes. And they're partially right. EVs do need coolant to regulate battery temperature and brake fluid to ensure proper braking. But these are completely different from oil changes. Coolant and brake fluid services are legitimate, but they happen far less frequently than the oil changes recommended for gasoline cars. Don't let them bundle it all together to confuse you and inflate the bill. They might even use vague language to make it sound like these services are more critical than they really are. Okay, so how do you protect yourself from this scam? First, educate yourself. You're already doing that by watching this video. Understand the fundamental differences between ICE cars and EVs. Knowledge is your shield. Second, question everything the dealership recommends. Don't be afraid to ask, why is this service necessary? Can you show me where it's recommended in the owner's manual? Make them justify it. Put them on the spot. If they can't provide a clear and convincing answer, walk away. Third, refer to your owner's manual. Treat it like your EV Bible. It contains the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Stick to that. Highlight the relevant pages and bring them with you to the dealership. And here's a bonus tip. Find a reputable EV mechanic. These specialists understand the unique needs of electric vehicles and won't try to sell you unnecessary services. But how do you find one? Start by asking other EV owners in your area for recommendations. Word of mouth is your best weapon. Check online reviews on sites like Yelp and Google. Look for mechanics with consistently high ratings and positive feedback specifically mentioning their EV expertise. Also, search for local EV owner groups on social media. These groups are a treasure trove of information and recommendations. Let's recap. EVs don't need oil changes because they use electric motors that don't require oil for lubrication. Dealerships pushing oil changes are likely trying to scam you for profit. Protect yourself by educating yourself, questioning everything, and finding a trusted EV mechanic. Remember these 3 pillars of EV ownership: knowledge, questioning, and trust. Knowledge empowers you, questioning protects you, and trust guides you to the right professionals. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about your EV, the less likely you are to fall victim to these scams. Don't let dealerships take advantage of your lack of knowledge. Stand your ground. Your wallet will thank you. Have you ever been offered an EV oil change? Share your experience in the comments. Like and subscribe for more EV truth bombs and cost-saving tips. Share this video with every EV owner you know. Let's spread the word and put an end to this ridiculous scam once and for all. Don't let Big Auto win.